Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As in showing thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forget pin pattern and password. So don't worry at all, watch this video till the end. Your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. If my previous video didn't on your handset and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your all the smartphones, Android smartphones will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your Android phone. Okay, further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it, my friend. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your phone may be deleted. Okay, so before starting this method, you should fully battery charge at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone could not unlock with the help of this video and this trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or older videos. And for this you will have to must subscribe our channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next further videos. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning the method mentioning in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network or Wi-Fi network should be closed. Now you can see here my phone's Wi-Fi network is on. So firstly I will have to close my phone's Wi-Fi network. For this you will have to simply activate your phone's flight mode. You can see here there is an option of a phone's flight modes. Firstly you will have to switch off your phone's flight mode. You can see here. So simply you will have to, just a minute. Okay, now you can see here there is an option of airplane mode or flight mode. Simply you will have to activate this flight mode to close all the network like telecommunication network or Wi-Fi network. Now you can see my phone's Wi-Fi network has been closed. Now you are ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking method. But before go to the unlocking method or engineer's mode, one more thing you will have to do with your phone. Your all the background running application, your all the phone's background running application should be closed before going to the unlocking method. So what you will have to do, generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret codes which generated by the all brands service centers. Okay, so this secret code generally used by the service center to close the running application. I am going to give you this secret code to close the background running application, but this secret codes update within 2 or 3 days. And if this secret code used by you to unlock your smartphone, then it's okay. Otherwise you can also take help of my upcoming videos in which I will give you a new secret code to close the background running application. So this secret code, you will have to dial this secret code in emergency call option. So simply you will have to click on this emergency call option. And when you will click on this emergency call option, you will have to open your phone's dialing pad like this. Now you will have to feed this secret code in your phone's dialing pad, and today's recent secret code is star 777, then star 00, then star 895, then hash. After feeding this secret code, background running application secret code, you will have to call on this secret code. And when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. But you will have to cancel this with the OK button. Again you will have to do the same process 3 times. After calling this secret code 3 times, your all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode. For after this you will have to clear this secret code from your dialing pad like this. Then after you will have to feed a USSD code which is used to go to the master unlocking page or engineer's mode page. And this secret code is star hash 899 then hash. Now you can see the engineer's mode or master unlocking modes has been activated in my phone's display. You can see here. Now you will also get a lots of option on this page, you can see here. but all the options have their specific function. Okay, but in this video I will only give you the method to how to unlock your smartphone. Okay, so you will have to go with the software version. You can see here at the 5th number software version is displaying here. You will have to click on this software version, and when you will click on this software version, you will reach to a new page. You can see here, and you will also get a lot of options on this page. You can see here the first option is showing here your phone's model number, so simply ignore this. You don't have to go with this model number option. Now you can see here there is a second option, that is a Android version 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 12 or 11. Okay, and if your phone Android version is showing here Android version 12, it means you will have to click on this Android version option 12 time or 11 time. But here my phone's Android version is showing here Android version 13. It means I will have to click on this Android version option 13 times rapidly like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Now the first step of unlocking method has been done. Now you will have to go with the back button after this, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page and you will get another option above the software version. You can see here the option is showing here manual test. Now you will have to go with this option, manual test option, and when you will click on this manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and this page's name is assembly test project, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page. You can see here. Now you don't have to go with any option on this page. Now after this you will have to simply slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the page of others. Okay, now you can see here at the end of the page the other option has been appeared on my phone's display. You can see here, and you will also get a 5 type of option on this page. You can see here the first option is showing here screen backlight test. The second option is also showing here read important lock test. Like this, you can see here the fourth option, that is mainboard version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here database version, but both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. After displaying this page, you will have to click on this mainboard version or database version 11 times rapidly like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Now the step has been completed. Now you can see here there is another option of a read write important lock test at the second number. You can see here. Now after this you will have to go with this option, read write important lock test. You will have to click on this read write important lock test, and when you will click on this read write important lock test, you will reach to a new page and you will ask to confirm this option. But at the first time you don't have to confirm this option. You will have to cancel this option. Again at the second time you will have to do the same, and again at the third time you will have to do the same. Okay, now but at the fourth time when you will click on this read write important lock test option, and at the fourth time you will have to go with the OK button, and when you will click on the OK button, it means your all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode, and now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. But you will have to follow the every step properly, and if you have skipped any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock and you will have to watch this video again. Okay, now the very last step what I am going to give you is most important, so be careful about the every step. Now after this you will have to simply slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the page of a device debugging page. Okay, now you can see here device debugging page has been appeared on my phone's display. Okay, now you will also get a lots of option on this page. You can see here top to bottom there are lots of option on this page, but you can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option at the 6th number. You can see here. Now you will have to go with this option, sensor self test, and just a minute, sorry, just a minute my friend. Star has 899 then has, and manual test option. After this you will have to go with the device debugging page. Okay, device debugging page, where is this? Okay, just a minute. This is the device debugging page. Now you will have to go with the option of a sensor self test and calibration option. Okay, you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option you will get a 3 type of option or 2 type of option or 1 option, and all the option here you can see here all the option is showing here operation not started. Okay, now you will have to click on this option to start this operation. Okay, now I am going to click on this option, test started and test failed. You will have to click on all those options until you get a single test passed message. Okay, now you can see here the third option is showing here test passed message. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my phone. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So for this you will have to check whether your phone is unlocked or not. You can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. So I will go with this home button. Now you can see my phone has been completely unlocked and all the application and all the data which were in my phone when my phone was locked as it is as in my phones. Okay, so this trick really works, and if your phone unlocked with this trick, then give a like to this video, and if your phone could not unlock with this video, then subscribe my channel for the further upcoming next videos. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.